Pallet 7B is fully processed. System shows green for transfer. Make sure these are labeled for the Osaka shipment.
Already done. Moving to loading bay 3.
Final count complete.
Verified. Send it through.
All right, that should hold. Watch out, he's coming in now. We have excessive glue marks on this pair.
And the alignment on the heel counter is off. We need to tag these immediately.
The adhesive application on station 4 looks solid.
Yes, the calibration update seems to have fixed the alignment issue.
That's the last one scanned.
Okay, the count is confirmed on the manifest. We are clear to load.
Real beauty isn't about covering up imperfections. It's about celebrating the skin you're truly in, with all its natural texture and glow.
My biggest challenge lately has been the long, tiring days, which really show in my uneven skin tone.
Experience the difference of a truly weightless formula. It's skin-friendly, providing flawless, long-lasting coverage you have to see to believe. Experience the flawless finish of our new serum foundation. It blends seamlessly for a natural, radiant glow. Confidence is the most beautiful thing you can wear. Own your glow, inside and out.
The manifest matches the scan. We are good to go on this one.
Perfect, send it out.
throughput on the new laser scanners. Looks good.
The adjustment improved efficiency by 10%.
Sole alignment looks perfect on this one.
Great, I'll prep it for the heat press.
Okay, this pallet checks out, all units accounted for. Let's move to the next one.
The flexibility scores are excellent, but look at the stress points on the midsole right here.
We are seeing some fatigue failure at the arch.
What do you think about using the neon green on the sole here?
It could work, but let's try the matte finish instead of the gloss.
All right, check the pressure readings on line 4. We had a fluctuation.
Looks stable right here. Green across the board after the adjustment. Torque is good on these bolts.
All right, bring it back just a little further. Okay, hold it right there, looks good. All right, bring it back just a little further. Okay, hold it right there, looks good.
A little to the left. Perfect. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
All right, bring it back easy. Watch the line. Okay, hold it right there and drop them down slow.
This matches the order number on the tablet.
Yes, everything is accounted for here.
This matches the order number on the tablet.
Yes, everything is accounted for here.
Apúrate, necesitamos cargar este camión antes de las 5.
Ya casi termino, jefe.
Aquí viene otro pallet.
The repair work is excellent, right on specification. Approved.
Check these against the manifest.
The count is short by 2.
It was adjusted this morning. The numbers match now.
All right, batch 42, final approval confirmed on the tablet.
Confirmed here as well. Moving it onto the main line now.
The manifest checks out, final approval granted.
Excellent. These are ready for the loading bay.
I think the iridescent fabric on the heel counter really connects with the retro-futurism mood board.
Yeah. What if we pair it with the neon green for the sole?
I really like the texture of this blue mesh, but I think the tan leather works better.
What if we use the yellow with the turquoise rubber for the sole? It pops.
Yes, that's it.
The Jordan 4s are running low in the Texas facility.
I just pushed an order through. It should update now.
This terracotta shade contrasts well with the blues we discussed.
It does. And if we texture the sole like this, the grip will be much better.
Make sure the export labels are clear.
Got it. Sending this one down.
See, this row here needs to match the scan.
Got it.
And the colorway is exactly as ordered.
Look at the stress points on the sole during the impact simulation. We need better dispersion.
I agree. Adjusting the lattice structure here should...
¿Ya están listas las suelas? Sí, aquí tienes. Hay que apurarse con este pedido.